Everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I found more brushes to go through and I might end up getting rid of some of these. So if you're interested in seeing what I have in this pile and what I want to get rid of, just keep on watching. If you're new to my channel, I'm Crystal. Hello. I love to do project panning. I hope you consider joining this little family of mine, and I'll just go ahead and get started. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and get started. I just grabbed some random ones. So this one I like. This is pretty new, and this is from the brand Pencil Me In, which I think I got this from a subscription box. For sure I did, because I've never heard that brand otherwise. But it's been barely used, so I'm going to keep it. This next one here is from Tarte, Real Techniques. It's actually a really good brush. It's in good shape still, so I'm going to go ahead and keep this one. This one is from, actually, I can't remember which one was this from. Moda. This is from Moda. This is a good brush, and I'm going to keep it. I still like it. This one I have barely used. It has, I thought it had two sides. Nope, it has one side. It's really good for eyebrows, so I'm going to go ahead and keep that. This one here is from the brand Sigma. Really good brush. Barely have used this brush, so of course I'm going to keep that one. This one here is, well, it's a lip brush, but I actually use this for like eyebrows. This is from Moda. It's a really great one here. So I'm just going to grab one here next to me. This one I'm going to keep. This one is from, I cannot remember what brand this is from. It's really beat up. Oh, Purr. It's really, really beat up, but the brush itself is actually not in too bad of shape. It looks a little dirty maybe, but yeah, so if I can get this clean, I'm going to go ahead. Well, actually, it feels like it's a little dusty maybe, so I haven't used it in a while. I'm going to wait. Actually, you know what? I can always get a new brush. I'm just going to declutter this, and it's my first declutter, I guess. Next one here, I'll just bring a few in actually. So this one is from It Cosmetics. I really love It Cosmetics brand brushes, and so I'm going to keep this one. It's in really good shape. This one here is from Do Care. I got this from Amazon. It's in good shape still. I like this a lot. This one here is from Sigma, and it's a really good brush. I love that color on that. This one is from It Cosmetics, and I do really like this one here. This one is another one from It Cosmetics. I used to actually buy a lot of brushes from them, and I really do like them. This one here is from Know Your Worth. So another one I got us in a subscription box. Still in good shape though, so I'm going to keep that. And last one in this pile looks like this, and I don't remember what brand this was from, but either way, it's in good shape. I use this for my eyebrows, or it's a lip pencil, but I do use it for my eyebrows. So the next brush is here. This one is from Know Your Worth. It's a subscription box. I'm going to keep it. It's really nice. This one here, I don't know what brand it's from, but it's in good shape, so I'm going to keep that. I think I got from Amazon. This one here is from It Cosmetics. Really nice. I used to collect a lot of their brushes, and they're good shape still. This one is from Tarte, and it's in good shape still, so I'm going to go ahead and keep this. This was another brand that I actually collected a lot of. This one here, I actually don't know what brand. I think it's, I'm not even going to guess what this is from. Either way, this is a really good brush, so I'm going to keep it. This one here is rather new. This is from Moda, and I got it from Marshall's not too long ago. I love how big this brush is. It's really nice. And lastly, I have this one here, and this is from L.A. Roos. I'm not sure where I got this, but the brush itself is in good shape, so I'm going to go ahead and keep this one as well. Grab some more over here. So, oops, put that over there. Here's some more. This one is from Tarte, and it's in good shape still, so I'm definitely going to keep this one. They're good brushes. Here's another one from Moda, and it's in a good shape. I do like this one quite a bit. This one is from Moda, and I have, I think, 3 sets of Moda brushes, and they're all really nice. This one here is, I'm not sure what this is. B&B, $1 billion. I can't remember, $1 billion. I cannot remember what this brand is, but I know it's something like that. So anyway, The brush itself is really nice. I could be way off, but B&B, I think that's what that is. So this one here, I think this is from Tarte. Oh, Purr Cosmetics. So this is in good shape still, so I'm definitely going to keep. This one here is the It Cosmetics. Couldn't remember. Really good brush. I really like it. This is a double-sided brush, and I don't know what brand this one is, but it has really good brushes, and they still work really, really nicely. Just grab some more. All right, so this one here, it's really beat up. I will give it that. Really, really beat up, but the brush itself is in good shape. So I'm going to go ahead and keep that for now. Right. So this one here is from Sephora. I do like it. It looks like it's a little dirty on the tip here. Just gotta check that out. But the actual brush itself, I mean, I don't know if this was like, looks like soap that didn't come off of it when I washed it. So, but the brush itself, yeah, that's exactly what it is. So the brush itself is fine. So I'm going to go ahead and keep that one. This one here is from Moda Beauty. Really nice brush. Let's see. Oops. This one here is another It Cosmetics, and it's in good shape. I do like this one. This one I got from Marshall's not too long ago, and I don't remember what brand this is, but it looks like it might be Moda if I can read that. Even if it's not, I apologize, but either way, it's in good shape, so I'm going to keep it. This one here, I believe I got on Amazon, and this is a really nice one. So I'm going to keep that one. Just press some more in. So here's the It brush from It Cosmetics. This one's really, really nice. This is very expensive, so I hope this lasts a long, long time. One of the most expensive brush sets I have ever bought. This one is from It Cosmetics, and it's pretty decent shape, so I'm going to go ahead and keep that. This one here is a nice eyebrow pencil, but don't know what brand this is, but it works still. This one here is from Cargo Cosmetics, which I don't even know if they're around anymore, but it is a nice brush itself. This one here is from Tarte. It's really good still. Let's see, this one here, I don't know what brand this is, but the brushes themselves are really good, so I'm going to keep. This one I actually just got done using this through this pile because I was just going to declutter, but I wanted to show you guys before I did. So this is from Tarte. I really like it. However, it does not, when you go to apply your makeup, if you can see up close, it just doesn't, it doesn't blend well at all. In fact, I had to, it just kind of sat inside of it, and it was just super hard to work with. I have so many brushes, I just don't need to use this anymore, so I'm going to clutter that for sure. And then I have some here. So this is from Alamar, and it's a nice brush still. I do think it works well. This one here is, I don't remember what brand it's that B&B again. I should really look and see what that is, but either way, it's a really good one. I sure got that in a subscription box. This one here, I believe I got in a subscription box, so but it's still a really good brand, or really good shape. This one here is Tarte, and it works well, so I'm going to keep it. This one is from Farrah, another one I got in a subscription box, but the brush itself is in good shape, so I'm going to keep it. This one is one of my older brushes from It Cosmetics, but honestly, it's a real good brush, so I'm going to keep that. A few more I'm going to bring over here. I think this is all of them I have to show you today, but so this one here is from the brand Complex Culture. I got this in a subscription box, really good shape still. This one here is a Real Techniques, and even though it looks a little smashed, it really does work well, so I'm going to keep it. This one came in when I had from Laura Geller. I bought one of her eyeshadow palettes, and this came in it. It's good shape still, so I'm going to keep it. This one here is from Moda Beauty, and it's still really good shape, although it's a little smushed. I don't know why it's doing that, but other than that little spot there, it really works well. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this one here next to me. This one I'm getting rid of. I thought I got rid of all these kind of brushes a while ago, but definitely getting rid of them. I just hate these brushes. They don't work well for me. This one is, I think, another one. I had two of these. I think it's a different one. I don't think it came from that pile, but either way, it's a good brush. I'm going to keep it. And this one is a good brush, so I'm going to keep that. This one here is from Tarte, and it still works really well, so I'm definitely keeping that. And, whoops, this one here is from Purr. Really good brush still, so I'm going to keep it. This one is in good shape for an eyebrow brush, so I'm going to keep that. This one here is from Tarte, and it's in good, decent shape, so I'm going to keep that. Here is one from, what brand is this? I cannot remember, but it's in good shape, so I'm going to go ahead and keep it. Almost done here, guys. This one is in good shape, so I'm keeping this one. And one more of these. Definitely going to keep. And this one, again, I'm going to get rid of. I don't like it. It's stained. It never even blends well at all. It just has particle everywhere, so I'm getting rid of this one as well. Here's everything that I'm keeping. I'm not a fan of just getting rid of stuff to get rid of stuff. So this is everything I'm going to keep. Nothing wrong with them. And I do like most of these brushes still. Getting rid of these here. One big brush from Tarte. Two of those small ones here that I don't even know, I don't know what kind or what they were called. They used to be popular, but I never liked them, honestly. I had to try them, though. Never liked them, and I'm getting them because of that. This is just kind of falling apart, really dirty, and it's just time to go. So, yeah, that's everything I'm going to get rid of. Everyone, thanks so much for watching. If you did enjoy, I hope you consider giving me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you all in my next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.